Îl invit în continuare pe domnul Emil Siric pentru a ne prezenta platforma I4cube. E pregătit? Thank you for being here. I will give you the microphone and please present us I4cube. If you want to go up there, or if not, you can sit over here. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello? Okay. So welcome everybody. My name is Emil. I'm here today to present, let's call it a new approach, not so technically, but more in the context of data. How we approach into monitoring production facility. So we want to introduce the concept which is called FPO, which is full production observability, which means pointer, okay. Sorry. So, which means that we want to solve problems like what particular person does, which operation, how much this operation takes time. We want to learn from the previous operations, what is your baseline, how much each operation takes time, which resources and so on. And we want to correlate this with all events which are happening on production floor. And we want to correlate also the business effect of all events. So we don't want to just present the charts of power and going up or down, but we want to give you meaningful information of what is happening in the production floor in the real time. So production manager, maintenance team, and operation team, and also the factory CEOs and management and sales team, they want to see in real time when the order will be delivered in exactly almost per minute. So that's our goal. So the problems which owners have and all factory heads is usually higher costs, problems for the production manager to organize the production floor. He needs to be flexible, how to change production quickly, how to prioritize the orders, and so on and so on. And also how to plan work, and also to avoid unplanned downtime. So how we do it? We do it with a new solution, which is full production observability. We start with monitoring production health. Production health for us means any event which impacts your production. So any event, it can be a fault or alarm from device directly, or it can also be a missing material, or missing the tool, or tool broke, and so on and so on. And then we correlate this with your machine efficiency, with operation effectiveness, and business efficacy. So we correlate which particular event has how much input into production process. So we offer a single pane of glass, everything on one place, and correlated views of events and all the KPIs. So how I4cube works? It's a platform which connects all the devices on your production floor. It tracks all the events in the real time. It offers production planning mechanisms and maintenance planning mechanisms all in one place, and also prepares and correlates valuable KPIs. Like I said before, machine efficiency. So what is your uptime, downtime, production time, idle time, teach time? What is workforce efficiency? How does each person in the floor is doing? Some are better and some are less good. This is workforce KPI, operation and business KPI. So now when we know how our production is operating, which work orders are we doing, we can also offer to management business KPIs. So we can know how much money is in production, what is the value flow to production, and basically we can influence financial and investment decisions through our tools. So this is just some screen. I will not go into technicalities, how we connect data, which technologies we are using to machine learn and so on and so on, but I will just go through the solution, how we do it. So here we have example of machine health and machine efficiency. It's a really simple concept where we introduce only 4 KPIs: production health, machine efficiency, operation efficiency, and business efficiency. Simply, and you can track this and correlate over the long period of time, not just currently, but you can compare today with 1 month, and months to months, and so on and so on. Yeah, this is one example of, here are the events. Each time events happens, you see here a red marked downtime which he produced, and here below is a list of events which are shown on the line here, and this blue line is basically our production efficiency. So we see directly which events are impacting our uptime and production time. So we do the same for the if we go up. So we now have events. We have here machine efficiency, and on top we can go with the production with the workforce and a work order efficiency as well. This is one view of shift analytics. So if you see above, it's basically simple way how to present a factory through locations, then asset management, then reports. All sorts of reports are present: export, automatic reports, daily, weekly, per shift, machine efficiency, operation efficiency. This is just one view of shift analytics. Analyze per 3 shifts, uptime, downtime, production time, and so on. These are examples of dashboards. These dashboards represents machine efficiency for the selected period of time. It lists best assets by efficiency. It also shows efficiency through the time, so we know where we go. And also here we show health score, which is basically a good production time of our production facility. Most assets which are hit by the events the most, and then some charts. So this is just examples. These are not final ones, but they're just examples for you to see, examples of dashboards which you can see in real time, which devices are in production, health score, machine effectiveness, and so on. We also track consumption. So imagine that you want to avoid, and when you create a production plan, at the same time you get the chart of where is your current peak of electricity. So you would know if your production plan is not optimal, you will see on the chart that you are breaking your factory peak. Sometimes peak costs you more than actual production time. So this is also what we try to follow. And yes, it's a short presentation. I have some more slides. Please feel free to contact me. We also shared some booklet for you. And yeah, my data is here. There are a couple of more slides how to basically do the same stuff for locations. You can summarize same data which you have per one device. You can aggregate for particular location, or I'm not sure if I translated that correctly, but you can have a cost place where you can book particular devices together based on the process or project or stuff like that. Yeah, so more dashboards, machine effectiveness, efficiency, health score, events, and that's it. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Emil Sirik, for this presentation.